What's happening, everyone? This is Zach Edwards with another episode of Xogos Gaming. So this is basically everything about our system. I wanted to show you all the games, the bank, things like that. Yesterday, or the last time, we showed you the platform, the beginning of the platform, and the tutorial where you earned 3 coins. But now I want to show you this next most important thing. This is what you would call our infrastructure. This is where all the coins that are used between the different games and towards scholarships, that's right, I said scholarships, I'll mention that in just a few minutes, get collected, and that's called Xogos Bank. So Xogos Bank is the place where you actually want to earn coins. Or not, store coins, not earn coins. Though it's going to give you a tutorial the first time you go through to earn those coins. Now, I've already been through this. I have already earned my coins, so I cannot earn them again. So if I earn them from the tutorial, the first time I played, I can't do it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through a quick review through the system. Look at that, a refresher. Start refresher. So this is basically everything you're going to do when you get onto our system and go into your bank. But you're going to earn coins. I will not because I'm doing a refresher. You will earn coins though. So first off, you start off with 4 coins. Great, here's your transaction histories. You would actually earn 2 coins by doing this tutorial. So these are your coins on hand. It's basically what is in your wallet, ready to be paid to whatever transaction you want to make. If you want to give it to this person, if you want to buy this thing, great. That's what a wallet and the money inside the wallet is for. But what is even better is if you can make those coins grow. They multiply. How do they do it? In your savings account. So you take your coins that you just earned that were in your coins on hand, and you say, I want to deposit a coin. Well, when you deposit a coin, it actually grows. How does it do that, Zach? Well, good you asked. Thank you that you asked. So here you go. Let's hit next. I'll show you. These are the interest rate multipliers. If it goes in for 7 days, it increases by 1.2 times. So if you say you put in 1 coin, it'll then be 1.2 coins. If you put in 2 coins after 7 days, they grow to 2.4 coins. So that's 1.2 times 2. What is that? 2.4. So the coins would now be 2.4. Now say you had those 2 coins and you waited 30 days, 1 month. Those 2 coins would now have had a baby, 3 coins. So they would have grown. I'm sorry. What gaming system does this for you? We do. No other gaming system out there. Now, those gaming systems, they want you to buy their coins. You buy their coins and spend like what? $5 for 400 coins. Well, that's great. Except those 400 coins buy you one thing. And it is digital crud. There is nothing behind that. Ours, there's so much attached to it. We are so excited to show you this. Okay, so this is your interest rate. Basically, if you had a regular bank, this would be your interest rate. Parents, keep note. This is exactly what it is. So next, you get to deposit those coins. So I'm going to deposit from coins on hand into your savings account. This teaches you how to do it. Now it says deposit completed because I've already done it. Okay, in this tutorial. Great job, right? Okay, so we go to next, convert. Now you can also withdraw. I did not show you the withdraw, but that's the withdraw button right next to convert. You can actually withdraw coins if you want to use them for a game or something you want to purchase in our system. But here's the great thing. If you convert them, they convert to scholarships. That's it right there. Look at that. Converting to scholarships. Hey, who would have thunk it? A gaming company that gives you scholarships. That's right. We do. We give you scholarships for playing games. And not just playing games, but also being active off the screen. That's right. What? How do you do that? We will come to that. We will come to that. Can't wait to share it with you. Continue watching these videos. Okay, so next, I'm going to pop over to scholarships. That's right. Okay, you get scholarships. Okay, actually, you have 0 scholarships. You have 0 coins, and the total scholarships is 0. Now, this is not actually functioning right now because we did the first one the last quarter of 2025. We had some glitches. We had some things that we had to fix, and now we fixed them. We've actually redone a lot in the bank so that you can have all these options and see everything. Our company is about transparency. We want you to see everything that's happening. And it's true especially when it comes to the next part or one of the future parts. I'll show you when I get there. But the scholarships, what makes this actually work is, say you put in 5 coins. Now, let's say you put in 10 coins. And let's say out of all the accounts, 100 coins were put in there. Great. We have 100 coins in this. Actually, you know what? Let's up the ante. Let's say there was 1,000 coins deposited that quarter. And you deposited 100 of those coins. You deposited 10%. Now, let's just say there was $5,000 available for that scholarship that one quarter. There's $5,000 one quarter. So you pay into the, let me change that. You sent your coins into the system to be converted into scholarships. You convert them, you get 10% of the pot in the coins that were deposited. Now, take that same 10%. What is 10% of $5,000? It's $500. Okay. You just received, because you put in 10% of the coins that were deposited that quarter, you just received $500. What? A gaming company that just gave you $500 for scholarships. Now, this is not just to universities and colleges. This is to trade schools. This is for continuous educational like certificates. Yeah, our system allows you to convert those coins into scholarships for continuing your education. And it does not have to be a college or a university. It could be a trade school. It could be a certification for dental hygiene. Won't go into stories. I have plenty of stories. So that is why the scholarships program is so important. Think of it this way. You pay $7 a month. Now that's $7 a month. You do over a year. So you're doing basically $96 for a whole year of playing games. That's it. Then you take, maybe you did it for 2 years, 3 years. Let's just say 3 years. Okay. You probably paid what? I said, let's just say $80 times 3, it's $240. And you'd collected 100 coins and you deposited, or you converted it into scholarships, and that conversion gave you $500. You played a video game for 3 years and you made $250 beyond what you paid in towards scholarships. You're not taxed on that. That's amazing. Now here's even better. We're not talking about 10, 20, 100, 500, even $1,000. Our system is set up so that we are hoping, I will say hope, I'm not guaranteeing it, that you will walk away with nearly a full ride scholarship that you earned. The government didn't give you that money. Nobody else gave you that money. You didn't get it from just doing an essay for a scholarship. No, you did it because you earned it by playing games and doing things off the screen. Okay, I got to explain this. Let's go to the next step and then I will explain it. Okay, next, transaction history. Bank tutorial completion reward. That's right. You just made a transaction. You got a transaction history. You can actually, right above that is bank statements. It'll actually print you off the last 30 days of bank transactions. And this is not just earning it from tutorials, from the dashboard or from the Xogos Bank. This is like Monster Math or Lightning Round. You earn coins by playing games. But even more than that, there's another system called the Active Incentive Programs. Now, they're programs, they're not games. iServe is the first program like this. What makes iServe so beneficial to everyone is you get off the screen. As a player, you get off the screen and you go serve in your community. Guess what? You just earned coins. That's right. Now, how this is set up is we have NPOs, so nonprofit organizations. They go around and they go to our system, the iServe system, and I'll go over this shorthand, or I'll go over the complete thing later on. This is very shorthand. So they sign up an event. You go to that event. They clock you in, they clock you out. You earn coins on the screen. That's easy. That's how easy it is. But they give service projects around your community that you get to go to and experience service. You get to go help other people, whether it's working at a food bank, feeding the homeless, picking up trash in the park. Those all can be done. And the nonprofit organizations in your area are the ones that sign up, make the events, and you are able to go and enjoy the coins that are created by you serving others. Hope you enjoyed that. Okay, and there's so much more to it. That's just one of the things, and we'll tell you about all the other active incentive programs that we have planned in the next video. And if I'm talking too fast, I'm sorry. It's just normal for me to talk really fast. But I want to get all this information out, and I'm trying to get it within 10 minutes, and it's not happening. So I'll try to wrap this up very quick. Okay, so you have transactions. Next thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the transactions. That's actually part of your statement. Oh, this is actually the part as well. Transaction history. There you go. This down here, what that should have said, is this is your banking rewards. Now, the reason why I didn't actually say anything about it is because we're not done with this system. So this banking rewards is coming. It's just not here just quite yet. So hold on to that. Also the conversion, the second conversion will be not this quarter of 2025 or 2026. It'll be the second quarter. At the end of the second quarter, 2026 will be the first conversion. So you'll be able to get scholarships from those coins that are deposited. There you go. So that is the quick rundown of the bank. You'll get this in the tutorial, but I wanted to create a video and answer a few more things outside of the video so you can get basically everything about it. And again, it's over 10 minutes. I'm long-winded. I apologize, but we'll end it now and come back for our next video where we will be starting to go through some of the games that you're going to be going through. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye.